Hi, and welcome to the Easy Drum Lessons channel, where we provide a series of easy to follow videos that will help you go from being a beginning drummer all the way to a professional. Please be sure and hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss any of the upcoming videos, and you can catch up on all the ones that we've already done. In one of our previous videos, we talked about how to do the basic straight 4/4 basic drum beat. And that drum beat sounds like this. It's actually the most common beat. In fact, 94%, over 94% of all of the pop and rock songs utilize that specific beat. Well, today we're going to teach you how to do some additions to that beat to make it a little more interesting. Some songs have these additions and you want to be able to learn those. So let's get started on that. So the beat basically is this. And what we're going to add to that is we're going to add a snare drum, an extra snare drum hit on what's called the upbeat of number one, of the number one beat. Now, in normal music, you have upbeats and you have downbeats. In normal, like orchestra music, the upbeat is the very first beat of the four, of the count of four. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is up, 4 is the end, so that's down. So in normal music, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's down. But in drumming, you have hits that you do in between the 1, 2, 3, and 4, and those can be considered upbeats, where the actual hit on the 1, 2, 3, 4 is a downbeat. So that's down, up, down, 1, let's see, 1, 2, 3, like that. So anytime that you hit down, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. When you're coming up, that's the upbeat. Well, for doing the addition to the straight beat in the 4/4 time signature, you're going to do an extra beat on basically the upbeat of the first beat. And let me show you how that's done. So you're going to go, that's the beat, and I'm going to add it. Notice my bass drum is hitting on 1, but I'm hitting just before the bass drum in between 4 and 1 again. So let me show you that. Sometimes it's easier to do that on your leg than it is on the drum set initially. So let me show you that on doing it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That builds muscle memory so that when you get over to your drum set, you'll be able to do it there. So let me show you the other variation to that, and that's adding another extra hit on the snare on the upbeat of 1 and 2. Let me show you how that sounds. Find that very common in songs, and it's really fun to do too. It really adds a lot of interest to your drum beat. Let me show you that here on my legs. There again, you want to try to learn it that way first, really, before you do the drum set, because it's a little more difficult. Now, if you have, if it's easier for you to do it on the drum set, by all means do it that way. But a lot of times, it's easier to get that muscle memory if you're hitting your legs. Let me show you that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you notice on my snare, or my left leg, there's a slight pause in between my second hit and then my third hit, which is the normal count of 3 on the snare. That's because that's hitting the upbeat in before 2, so it's a slight pause. So Let me show you that again. I'm going to show you both of those on the drums. This is the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to show you the other one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like I said, those are really fun to do. They add a lot of interest to the beat, and you'll hear that a lot in songs. So hopefully you got something good out of that lesson. It was fun to do it for you. If you got something out of it, be sure and hit that like button. We'd love to see those. Send us a comment. Any questions you have, let us know how your training's going. Let us know if there's any other things that you'd like for us to cover that we haven't covered so far. We're going to be putting videos out every single week in addition to the ones we already have. So check out the ones we have. Be sure and hit the subscribe button so that you can check out the ones that are upcoming. And thanks for being with us. And we appreciate all of our viewers. Thank you.